Assalamu alaikum students. Students, the topic for this video discussion is the carnitine deficiency. In this video, I will tell you about the how carnitine is deficient in the body, what is the cause of the carnitine deficiency, and what are the types of the carnitine deficiency, the complications associated with the carnitine deficiency, and the symptoms which are resulting in the deficiency of the carnitine in the body. Carnitine, as it is a carrier protein and provide transport system for the long chain fatty acid to transport from the cytosol into the mitochondria for the mitochondrial process beta oxidation. So the body uses carnitine to process fats and produce energy. Carnitine can be taken up from the diet, or it can be synthesized from the lysine and methionine in the liver and kidney. Carnitine may be deficient in the body. Carnitine deficiency occurs when not enough, less than 10% carnitine is available in the body. So the deficiency of the carnitine results in the complications such as decreased ability to tissues to use long chain fatty acid. With carnitine deficiency, the cells that rely on the fatty acid fuel fatty acids for the energy may start work poorly, such as muscle cells. So the deficiency of the carnitine causes complications. So there are two types of carnitine deficiency: the primary carnitine deficiency and the secondary carnitine deficiency. Primary carnitine deficiency. It is a rare condition in which the abnormal gene causes a problem with a transporter that carries a carnitine into the cell from the blood. The primary carnitine deficiency, the defect in the membrane transporter that inhibit the uptake of the carnitine by the cardiac and skeletal muscle. This causes the excretion of the carnitine from the body. The primary carnitine is also called the carnitine uptake defect or systemic carnitine deficiency. Secondary carnitine deficiency. In this case, there is not a problem getting carnitine into the cell. Instead, the problem is that there is not enough carnitine in the blood. The secondary carnitine deficiency is more common as compared to the primary carnitine deficiency. It results into the defect in the fatty acid oxidation. Acyl carnitine level elevated and it is excreted in the urine. And carnitine indirectly deficient as a result of variety of health problems including the mitochondrial diseases, metabolic disorders, liver diseases, etc. There is another type of the secondary carnitine deficiency, that is acquired carnitine deficiency. Acquired carnitine deficiency can be seen in the patients with the liver diseases, as the liver diseases decreases the carnitine synthesis, or those taking the anti-seizure drug valproic acid, which decreases the renal absorption. The defect in the mitochondrial oxidation can be caused by the deficiency in the CPT1, carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1, and CPT2, carnitine palmitoyl transferase 2. Deficiency affects the tissue's ability, affects the liver, where an inability to use long chain fatty acid for the fuel greatly imparts that tissue's ability to synthesize glucose. So when the glucose synthesis affected during a fast, this can lead to severe hypoglycemia or maybe coma and may lead to the death. The most common form affects the skeletal muscle. It presents as muscle weakness due to the myoglobinemia following prolonged exercise. The symptoms of the carnitine deficiency includes decreased muscle tone or muscle weakness, tiredness or fatigue, poor feeding in a baby, hypoglycemia with the swelling or shortness of the breath. The treatment of the deficiency of the carnitine includes carnitine supplementation for the primary deficiency of the carnitine, and in the secondary carnitine deficiency, the avoid fasting and adopting a high diet with the carbohydrates and low in fat but supplemented with the medium chain tag. These can be used for the treatment of the carnitine deficiency. Thank you very much.